Welcome to homework.
Okay, we have 6.08 times 10 to the 10 molecules of uranium hexafloride. And the question is, how many picograms do we have? What is a picogram? Well, remember that we start with grams, and then for milligrams, we say 10 to the minus third grams, right? For nanograms, we say 10 to the minus 6 grams. Sorry, micrograms. For nanograms, we say 10 to the minus 9. It's milligrams. This is micrograms. This is nanograms. And that following nanograms is picograms, and we go we increase the exponent by -3 each time, and this is how we get to picograms. After this is femtograms, it's 10 to the minus 15. Okay, so if we can figure out how many grams of uranium fluoride we have using the molecular weight of uranium fluoride, we should be able to use this conversion factor of 10 to the 12th grams equals 1 picogram to find out how many picograms we have. So what is the molecular weight of uranium hexafluoride? The molecular weight of uranium fluoride, I don't know why I put an R in there, it's just U. The molecular weight of uranium fluoride is 352.02 grams per mole, right? We have 6.08 times 10 to the 10 molecules. So how many moles of uranium fluoride do we have? If we can figure that out, we can multiply it by this mass molecular weight here, and then we can figure out then how many picograms we have by going from grams to picograms. How do we convert molecules to moles? Right? Recall that 1 mole equals 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. That's Avogadro's number. So we're pretty much there at this point, right? The conversion factor then is 1 mole over 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. We now have all the factors we need to multiply together to end up with picograms. We can turn this equality into a conversion factor, right? We say 1 picogram over 10 to the negative 12 grams, and let's put them all together. We say 6.08 times 10 to the 10th molecules, and then we've got 1 mole over 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecule. Now we've got 352.02 grams per mole. And finally, to convert grams to picograms, we say 1 picogram times over 10 to the negative 12th grams. And we'll show that the units cancel. Molecules cancel with molecules. Moles cancel with moles. Grams cancel with grams. And we're left with picograms. Let's put this into my calculator. 6.08. And then the easy way to do this, if you have a typical calculator, is to use the EE button. We say 6.08 EE10 to signify 10 to the 10th. Divided by 6.022, and we say EE23 to signify 10 to the 23, times 352.02, finally divided by 10 let me say EE negative 12 to represent, 1 EE negative 12 to represent 1 times 10 to the negative 12th. And all in all, we get 35.54 picograms. And if we note, we began with 3 sig figs, so it would be best then to round our answer to 3 sig figs after performing multiplication with numbers that all had more, either were exact numbers or had more significant figures than 3. Meaning our final answer will be 35.5 picograms.